Hello again, everyone. I'm Mark Thompson with Watermark Data, and you are joining Alteryx Tutorials. This session, we're going to be covering weekly challenge number 38. In this session, I'm going to focus on a formula tool and an output tool, but we will talk about the others as we go. In this challenge, we've got three pieces of data, three sets of data. One is about products and a number of pieces of information, along with a region and a region key, and then finally a product group and a product key. The point of this is to take and blend these to be able to create separate reports, a combination of each product and region that will give you, so we've got these different regions, and it will give you 15 different reports because it'll give you every product, which is the 5, plus the 3 regions. So we want to produce reports for each combination. So we're going to have 15 reports when all is said and done. Let's get into it. So we're starting over here, and we've got this piece of data. And in this, if you look, we've got product group, we've got a region. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to join region to region. So we bring in this information that's got the region key. So region and region key. And then we're going to take that output, and we can see that I've already run this and there's nothing that came out. Well, there's a region 0, which we're not using in this case. And then we're taking that join and we're joining it to yet another table where we've got a product group and a product key. And when we join that, we get a consolidated piece of data. What we want to do then is create a field. So we're creating this, and this is what I said, we're going to focus on the formula piece. We're creating a new output column called region product. And to do that, we're going to take the word and we're going to say region. And then we're going to combine it with the region key. Now, region key is in numeric, so we have to tell it first that we want it to be a piece of string because this field is going to be a string output. So we tell it toString and 1, and we do plus, and we put in quotes, space, dash, space, product, space, quote. And then we've got product. And by the way, I will come down here real quick and do this. And if you go to string, this is going to tell that 1 up here, that's going to be the number of decimal places that you have. So that 1 is telling it. That's why you see a 1.0. You're telling it, and this is a cheat, but I wanted to show you how many decimal places from that number, from that region key number, how many decimal places do you want to see? All right. Get rid of this. We don't need this. So we do this and we say toString with the region, and we want 1 decimal place, plus quote, space, dash, space, product, space, plus again a toString. This time we're doing the product group. What is the product group? And again, 1 decimal place. Here we sort it, we say region product, that's this field that we just did, and we say, hey, sort it by that. So now if we come down here and we take a look at the data real quick, you can see region product, and we're sorting it. Region product, region product, region product, region product, right? And so now we want to output that into a separate file for each one of those. So in the export, output data, you come over here and we're going to talk about the configuration of this tool. And yes, up here it says send it out in a CVS data, which I'm going to show you. I chose Excel, it's CSV. That's fine. If you want to do a CSV file, you just select where to go. There it is, the comma, separated value, the CSV. But that's not what we want to do. We're doing it in Excel. So here we've got Excel. And one of the important things that we haven't talked about, the output tool, one of the important things, especially with Alteryx and Excel outputting, is you have to tell it, are you creating a new sheet the first time you've exported, or are you overwriting the sheet and the range if it's already been created? In my case, in this case, I have already run this query. And so this has already been exported, and I tell it where up here. That's what this is all about. Weekly challenge, beginner 38. All right. And then down here, we're going to check this box, right? We're going to check this box. We want a separate file, and we want to change the file and the table name on the field containing the file part of the name. So we're telling it region product. We could select something else, but this is what this combination of fields down here is what is going to send your files out into 15 separate files. So now if I run this, hit run, and boom, she's done. And I click on this, you can see that I've got all of these files that were written. Region 1 metal, 1 options, 1 outrights, 1 spot swap. So we've got 5, and then we've got these region 2s, and we've got the region 3s. All right. Hopefully you learned something a little here today. Again, I am Mark Thompson. This is Watermark Data. As always, please hit like, please hit share, please make any comments. Anything that I can do to help you, please let me know. Look for you next time.